wide, cause I been it. I ain't shy, bust it wide, cause I been it. Hey, bounce it, drop it, pop it like a shootout. Bounce it, drop it, pop it like a shootout.
But my vibe was right.
Go. Okay. Mess it up. Go crazy. Hold up now.
Do the iguana.
Do the what?
Do the iguana.
Iguana?
Do the iguana.
What iguana doing? What iguana is doing? What iguana is doing?
Do the iguana. Do the iguana. Do the iguana. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, today we got a what? We got a mukbang. Yeah, we got Maggiano today. Let me show y'all the bag. Designer, Birkin bag alert. But yeah, y'all, we about to get into the food. I'm hungry. He hungry. Enough talking. Let's get to snappity snap. Alright, you guys. So, like I said, we got Maggiano's. Little Italian Italy. No, Maggiano's Little Italy. I almost messed that up, y'all. This is not a sponsored video. We did go ahead and spend that bread. We went and spent that bread. That bread. Okay, I'm being ratchet. Y'all, we got spaghetti with meat sauce. We got some bread in here. We're keeping it simple, y'all. It's a spaghetti day, okay? It's a spaghetti day. Don't be hating. Y'all, my phone going up on a Thursday. What's Thursday today? I don't know what. Damn, up like this, but it's going up on a Thursday. I said, on a, what? You better stop. You better. Okay, I'm sorry to the spaghetti. Let me give y'all
a look-see.
A close-up of this spaghetti, y'all. Let me take this bread down. We was trying to be fancy for y'all to show y'all the stuff. I don't know what this is. I've been trying to figure it out. I know this oil for that bread. And they gave us some Parmesan cheese. Hold on, y'all. I had it pretty for y'all, but we eating now, okay? Oh, okay, we can do it one and one. Boom, that's yours.
Bam.
Boom, that's mine. Okay, that worked out. And let me get it back cute for y'all. Y'all, this is the little bread they gave us. Cute, right? It looks like a brick, but it's soft, y'all. I promise y'all. Look, hit somebody's head. Bam! You owe me some money? Bam!
It's soft.
Where my $5 at? Y'all, I've been gone for too long. I missed y'all. And we back. I'm trying to get this time management together. I'm gonna try to record as many videos as I can today and get one edited tonight for Friday. Now y'all, like I see it. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video.
But
so bear with me. Y'all gotta do an update about after my diet, because my diet is up. I'm gonna sprinkle some on this bread because I'm ratchet. Don't judge me. Yes, I put Parmesan cheese on this bread. And I'm about to put a little oil. I don't even like oil like that, y'all. This is like olive oil, something like that. I don't care for it, but they do it at the restaurant. So, you know, what the hell. Save some for my baby. I said something. Y'all, look at this bread. Look, I done hooked it up, y'all. With that Parmesan cheese and that little oil and a little warm. You know what I'm saying?
Do it. Just do it.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why I'm so geek today. I don't know. I'm just happy. Y'all, today was a busy day again, but I made time for y'all. You know, people say you make time for what you want to. When I made time for y'all. Y'all, my spaghetti escaping. Get your little Rudy Tooty in that thing. You about to get
fresh and fruity.
You about to get eat. I done mixed it up. Bow! Y'all's calling me.
It's calling you.
He almost flipped my wig off. Y'all saw that? Y'all know y'all get the first bite. Oh, y'all jumped out my hand. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some fork in it. Okay? You know how you just want that spaghetti every now and again?
You know. You know. I ain't gonna lie.
Give me a little water. Y'all know how the noodles sit. Can you give me a little hot water, baby? Thank you. Yeah, my baby is so sweet to me. Y'all, look at this bread. I said, look at that bread. Let's take a bite. Y'all like, oh, don't eat bread. That gets you fat. I know. Y'all see that? No, a hot cup of water.
Yeah, I'm about to say, I was just getting that got me. I was like, man, what am I missing over there? Like, oh man.
Yeah, you know, when it's good, you get quiet.
There you go. You got your enough water on a good day.
Look at that hot water. Oh. It's good.
I can be sitting.
I'm trying to be dangerous now. I'm trying to get a live in too.
You doing a live school? He must not know it was lit over there.
It's already late,
It's
but
just lit over there. We still going. Strong.
y'all miss my wig. Angela, that's her name, Angela. Nah, me and Angela be having a ball.
Nigga.
Yes. That's all I need, a little hot water. That's what make your spaghetti a little juicy, y'all, when y'all come back and it's been sitting a while.
Activate.
Not a whole lot, y'all, but just a little bit. It get everything right back juicy. It get them noodles soft.
That's the best
It
thing
get
about spaghetti,
that sauce spread it out a little bit. You know,
all
just
you
move
need
it
is a
around.
little water.
Mm-hmm.
The spaghetti always just come back
Look,
right.
y'all, it already made a difference. Look, look, look. What's that cartoon with the dog, Lady in the Trunk, something like that? When they was kissing with the spaghetti. Look at that. The romantic, ain't it? You want to kiss with some spaghetti?
They did a meatball. We got sauce.
Ow, my bad.
Plus, you ain't no trimp.
It's fun. I ain't mean it like that. Wait a minute. Not like, you know, I ain't gonna mention politics on this channel. But it is say Lady in the Trump.
Man, I ain't no Trump neither.
No, like Trump, like our president, like Trump, but it's not. I don't think it's spelled that way. Y'all, why is spaghetti hitting so good? Y'all don't be judging me if you see me in this outfit in a whole bunch of videos because I'm about to record my booty off.
She crazy, y'all.
It's a spaghetti day.
Yes.
Yeah, it's been raining like crazy in Tennessee. Like,
Man, we knew Seattle over here.
like, and no offense to the people in Seattle.
Where
But,
did y'all it's rain?
Y'all, it's been a lot of
It's
thunderstorms,
raining.
like storms, like well, your house down, storms.
It was crazy. It just don't stop. Like it just gets slow, but it don't stop.
So good.
Made me a sunny day.
It's a hit. Today was a good day, y'all. Today was a good day. It was almost run, but it was a good day.
Almost run.
Who you irritating?
Who?
That empty's a little hard. Wait a minute.
With the butt.
Let me go back over here.
The booty tough.
Let me go back over here.
This bread butt's tough.
Going in unknown territory.
Oh, dang. Well, it just flew on me. It done dabbed me. See? For real. I got dabbed done.
Oh my god.
It was fighting back.
Oh god. Yeah. Food, why you so good? Y'all ever got mad at your food because it tastes so good? It was like, who made you?
I'll be mad at the thought when it's all done. I'll be like, dang.
Best thing about Maggiano Little Italy, you only pay $5 to double whatever you want.
Get your tool first.
Meaning we have 2 of everything. Well, 2 of these. So this is for tomorrow, for tonight, for tomorrow, for lunch.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
I remember I like spaghetti so much. I dang near told my mama to give me the Chef Boyardee dollar can of that. That was so good.
Yeah, they got cans of it now in the cabinet. Don't
even touch them.
Here's something else. Yeah, but I'm already knowing. Oh, it's a napkin.
Yeah. You keep talking, I got you.
You looking for a napkin? I gotta check it. But oh yeah, I thought I was about to say. Y'all, what was I about to say? Wait a minute. Hold up. Y'all, my thought has completely left the building. OMG. Now I'm irritated. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, listen. Y'all, tomorrow's Friday. And it's going to be super busy for me. So, thank you.
As well as me.
So I was like, oh yeah, I'm so sorry. Wait a minute.
Redo.
Yeah. But, but it's hitting so good, y'all. It's all off.
On your head. I'm almost halfway through. I'm sorry, y'all. I ain't even ever talk, man. We just been.
Y'all don't think I'm over dramatic. It's just good as hell. Okay? Y'all, we've been so busy. We haven't even been eating. We've been eating like scraps every day. Like, when I say scraps, maybe a fry. Maybe a piece of lettuce. This is not full meal. What's in a week?
A piece of lettuce.
It is crazy. This is no cap. Ow.
Yeah, you know.
So, Mike, you gotta get content in when you can. You know what I'm saying? Now, y'all, I'm not gonna cap to. This video probably gonna be just 20 minutes.
But it's gonna be smooth.
Because I gotta move on to the next. And then I gotta try to, catch a live. Because I'm really not trying to go live like at 10 o'clock. I'm trying to go live like around 9:30, 9 o'clock.
Heck, you'll see it. You'll be there.
I was gonna wait till Wednesday, but I'm like, my live is probably gonna be about something else. And I've been missing live, you know, due to my business and everything. So I'm like, let me go ahead, as if I can catch it today. Cause I just love y'all. I really appreciate every last one of you that watch my channel. Y'all have been seeing me and y'all comments. Y'all done seen me under y'all videos this last week because I've been trying to catch up on y'all versus than catch up on me. So now I'm taking a little bit of me time for Shantell's World on here.
Like a subscriber appreciation. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. That's good. Remind me of my spaghetti.
Yeah, my food out here.
Oh, now what was that? But yeah, y'all.
We appreciate you.
Oh yeah, let me get something to drink. Need some water.
Damn.
I'm sorry.
That's how you know it's good.
Oh yeah, oh. Yeah, I ain't. That sounds nasty. But I'm saying I get my deep throat from my biological father. Like he can take like a water bottle and just gut and it be gone, y'all. That was like a trick I seen him do as a kid. I used to be like, eh. And as I got older, I started chugging. Tyler,
Go.
Look, Tyler be mad when he be like, baby, you want a sip? A sip be a he be like, where my juice at, babe? But I'm just trying to. It is.
She just want to sip out of you.
Cause it's like when I'm drinking, it's like I can't stop, or I feel like I'm gonna choke. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's like when I'm drinking, it's like gut. But when you hear that, it's actually going down my throat. Like I'm actually, it's like I'm taking gaps when they go down my throat while breathing. So I think that's why that gulp sound comes from. So I think it's just like it's really loud for my breath to come out. You know.
Yeah.
My mouth while it's full of liquid. You know what I'm saying? Not trying to get scientific or anything, but people be like, oh, you got a big throat. No, like literally, I think if I stop while drinking, I'll probably die. But you know.
Stop the flow.
People in their
Stop
assumptions.
The flow.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all, this is good. I can't stop eating it.
I'm almost done. I feel like they probably looking at it right now like minute 17.
Y'all, I look exhausted. Oh my god, I did not know I look so tired. Like, look at my eyes; it looks so droopy. And yeah, I'm not gonna even cap y'all. My day started at about 8 a.m. Or no, not 8 a.m. It actually started at 6:30 a.m. because I woke up thinking about my dad. And then I started browsing some outfits online. And then I started prepping for the day. Then I went back and laid down and I was tossing and turning all night. I don't
know. We did it.
But
bang.
The day still has to go on. So excuse me, y'all, if I look exhausted. But my vibe is right.
Go. Okay. Mess it up. Go crazy. Hold up, man. Do the what?
Do the iguana.
Iguana? What iguana doing? What iguana is doing? What iguana is doing?
Do the iguana. Okay, I'm sorry.
I don't even know an iguana that can do it.
Oh yeah, let me show you Yeah, what the hell is my words today? Words. Where are you?
There they go.
I'm so sorry. So not again. I'm so sorry. That is so trifling. Cause when people be burping out loud, I be like, Xchange, yo. You know what I'm saying? Excuse the hell out of you. I know people be like, Shantell, you nasty. I can't watch your mukbangs. You be burping. You be nasty. We don't wanna watch you. We gonna censor your video. Okay. Show them dessert. Let me show them. I wanna show them what we got for dessert. Y'all wanna see what we got? Y'all, it's crazy that I'm eating pasta because we about to cook pasta for our plate sale tomorrow. Let me get y'all a close up of that. Let me get y'all a close up. I don't know if you want yours right now, but
I mean, it look good.
Still feasting. Y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna get into it, y'all. I know y'all be mad at me. I don't eat desserts, but I got something coming up with me eating some sweets for y'all. So I don't know if it's gonna be an ASMR. Oh, I'm not gang.
Hold on, man.
Okay, y'all.
You know.
This video that went too long. I gotta move on to the next one, y'all. I gotta get as much content out of tonight as I can. Wait a minute. A piece of meat flew to the back of my throat. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. You will not kill me today. Y'all, for real, y'all think I'm being over dramatic. When I went, like, the piece of ground beef flew out of my tooth because it was something stuck in my tooth, and it went to my, like, esophagus.
Came to attack.
Yeah, how about the back? Okay, now back to what I was saying. Okay, y'all, back to what I was saying. Alright, y'all, this video done went on too long. We gotta move on to the next. I gotta get as much content out of tonight as I possibly can. You know what I'm saying?
A shoot-around.
So, on that note, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Did I mention subscribe?
Hit that bell. Hit the bell.
Did I mention subscribe? Did I mention subscribe? Definitely subscribe to your girl's channel. Yeah. I keep it lit over here. We keep it lit over here. I keep it lit over here. We keep it lit. Over here. O'Reilly. Shout out to No Cold TV. Congratulations on your birthday, boo. Alright, y'all, we gotta go because we gotta move on. I love y'all. We
Drop it, pop it like a shootout. Bounce it, drop it, pop it like a shootout.